In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up WordPress with object caching using Redis or Memcached. This technique can be a game changer if you're aiming to boost your website's performance and reduce load times, ensuring your visitors have a seamless experience. Let's dive right in and explore how you can implement this on your WordPress site. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to your WordPress dashboard. This is your home base for making changes and optimizing your website. We're going to focus on the Plugins section. Hover over or click on Plugins, then select Add New from the drop-down menu. This is where we'll find a suitable plugin to help us enable object caching. Now, once you're in the Add New Plugins section, there's a search bar on the top right. Here, you'll want to search for a plugin that supports object caching with either Redis or Memcached. Some popular choices you can consider are the Redis Object Cache plugin, which exclusively supports Redis, or W3 Total Cache and Lightspeed Cache, both of which offer support for both Redis and Memcached. Each of these plugins has its strengths, so picking one may depend on your specific needs and server configurations. For the sake of this tutorial, let's assume you've opted for Redis. Go ahead and install your selected plugin by clicking the Install Now button, followed by activating it once the installation is complete. Activating the plugin will add new settings options in your WordPress dashboard, allowing you to configure the caching system to best suit your website's requirements. Assuming we've chosen the Redis Object Cache plugin, let's take the next step. Navigate to Settings in your WordPress dashboard and then click on Redis. This is where you can configure the Redis Object Cache settings easily. Here, you should see a central button labeled Enable Object Cache. Simply click this button. When you do, you should notice the status indicator changing its color to green. This means that Redis is now connected and actively caching your website's objects, which should result in improved performance. So there you have it. By enabling object caching, you're giving your WordPress site a significant speed boost. This process can reduce server load, enhance page load times, and improve overall user experience. Remember that every time you make performance-related changes, it's a good idea to monitor the results. Use speed test tools to gauge the impact and ensure you're getting the best results. If any issues arise, check the plugin's documentation or consult with support teams for advice. By following these steps, you've taken an important step toward optimizing your WordPress site with Redis or Memcached. Playing with object caching is a powerful way to make sure your users have a fast, smooth, and enjoyable experience while browsing your website. Thank you for watching, and make sure to explore other tips and tricks for further enhancing your WordPress performance.